Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an amazing day. If you're new, welcome. I am so happy you found us. This is Creativity and Inspiration, and I am Lisa. It is so cold in North Texas. It's unreal. It's Ice-mageddon supposedly tomorrow and Wednesday. We actually had some snow. It was pretty cool. I'll put a picture up so y'all can see our little snow. I know everybody up north and in other countries is probably going, that's not snow, but it was snow. I was excited. Today I'm talking about packaging and how we can use packaging in our journals. So why don't you just come in a little closer and we'll get into this video. We all use packaging at some point in our journals, right? Journal covers, we use cereal boxes. That's packaging. But I want to talk different uses besides the covers, okay? I got this idea for this video when I was actually stamping for my little coffee journal that was in my techniques video a couple of videos ago, or last video. Anyway, and the reason I got the idea for this one is because of the stamps. And I pulled, oh, these things are stuck on here. But when I was stamping, I had all the stamps off, right? And I had this. And I thought, oh, that would be really cool as like the center of a flower. I had this. And I thought, oh my gosh, those would be really cool as the center of a flower, on a charm, you know, a dangle for a journal, you know, on a journaling card, a tag. Whatever. How cool is that? And this is this is packaging, but this is packaging. And I thought, oh wow, that would be so different and cool, right? Because I've not seen that before. And I was really excited. So I thought, well, I'll talk to you guys about this. So what can we do with these? Well, like I just said, don't you see these as dangles, or you know, when we do the bingo cards, and these could be on the bingos of the bingo cards. How cute would that be? We could also do these on in a flower. We could do these on just a journaling card, a tag, a belly band, a tuck spot. We could do them on a flip out, you know, so many different things. These are the most super versatile things ever. Something else, and we all probably have these, or at least something like these, is packaging like this. And it doesn't matter if it's this company or not. I mean, there it is, but I'm not advertising. So what could this be? Well, think about it. This could be folded. It could be a page, and this could be a side tuck. It could be a page this way, and it could be a tuck up here. It could be a pocket this way. I mean, there's a lot of uses for this. It could also be a flip out. It could be a flip out, or this could be where it's sewn in. This could be a little thing where you attach, you know, you could attach a sew it right here in your journal. This could be where you attach a postcard, and this could be a page, right? So packaging, so cool. Now this one's gonna be a little odd probably, but a small box. You could take this and break it down and make it a little matchbook notepad, right? See that? Because it's got the folds in it and everything. I think this would make a really cute notebook, you know, matchbook little notepads like we make. This could be a pocket on a page like that. You know, this could be the page, and then this could be the pocket. And you could flatten it out some. It doesn't have to be this thick. So packaging is so much more than we use it for. Or, I mean, me. This could be tags, pockets, journal cards, belly bands, tuck spots. This could be anything and everything. It could be pages. So there's a lot. But the coolest thing I thought was this one and this. And I'm going to show you how to use this. I just got to find someplace to stick my tags, but that's okay. I mean my stamps. Oh, and this is packaging, okay? The bubble wrap is actually a pocket, and it was holding my die cuts for my coffee journal, right? Well, this is a pattern. This is pattern. You could take paint and stamp on your journal pages to get texture. You could ink it and do that on tags, pages, whatever. This could be a pocket. It could be a bag. It could be a tuck spot. Turn it upside down, turn it sideways, okay? It could be whatever you imagine it to be. But let's go back to this one. Let me get all my little... Oh, and one more are these clear bags. These can be, you can make your own window envelopes. These are the stuff that cover these. You know, these come inside these, and they're full of, you know, die cuts. Well, these could be, you can make your own windows, window envelopes. You could make your own specimen cards. You can make your own bags if you wanted to. And the good thing with this is you can paint on it. You can decoupage on it. You can do a lot with this. You could decoupage inside it. Then you get like a really cool 3D effect with it. So packaging is just where it's at, I swear. Okay, so let me get all this kind of straightened up a bit, and then we're going to come back to my original one, which is this one right here. And I'm going to show you what you can do with these packaging from stamps. So all I'm doing is cutting it out of here and across. Okay, so there is the little to-go. Sorry, my finger's so big. The little to-go coffee mug. Can y'all see it? To-go cup right there. And one thing you can do it, like I said, is picture it as the center of something. And I thought it would look amazing as the center of this graffiti flower. How cute is that? Also, you could poke a hole in them, and they could hang off the charm on for your journals. That's a great way to use them. Another thing you could do are these. I like to use these little keychains. You could put one in the center of that, and it would be like a frame. So you're like framing the coffee beans there. See, that's pretty cool too. And this time I'm going to show you how it looks on a bingo card, because I just think this would look so cute. And you can cut these out as close or as, you know, much space as you want around them because they're clear. It looks really cute. Can y'all see how cute that looks? So see, these are a great way to use the packaging from our acrylic stamps. I just love that. That's a whole new look for our bingo cards and a new use for that packaging that normally doesn't get used. Something else are tags. Tags off of anything. This was a tag off of some shoe. Okay? This would make a great different shape because of the shapes. That's what makes these good. And yes, they're not packaging, but they are packaging because, you know, they come attached to the clothes or to the shoes or whatever. And I think this is interesting. It's not a shape that we get normally, that we make or get, you know, from normal tags. So this is good. Packaging such as oatmeal packets or tea packets. This could, you know, open it up and it could be a notebook, add some paper. Oatmeal packet is a pocket all day long. So there's a lot of different things you can do with packaging. But I must say, these little things from the acrylic stamps are my favorite, and I think the bingo card is the cutest. Again, I think the flower is pretty cute too. So next time you're looking for something different to create a page or a journaling card or a tag, pocket, belly band, whatever, don't look any farther than packaging. This is packaging, but what I've done is create a very interesting journal element from a box. So what I did was I kind of collapsed the box in, and I would cover this with paper, but I wanted you to see what it was. I poked holes, tied this like little doors, so you untie it, right? It opens up like 2 little doors, like that, and then you have this where you could put paper on here. It could be pictures, you could write whatever you wanted to, and then you flip it up, and you have all this writing space. Look at that. Okay, and then when you're done, you bring it back down, and you bring it back through. Or you could do 2 separate pieces. I just did one. And you tie it, and you have a really cool, interesting journal feature that you created from packaging, though people aren't going to know it's from packaging if, you know, you put paper over it and stuff. But I wanted you to know. So guys, I hope you enjoyed these new ideas to work with packaging in your journals, planners, anything you wanted to, because really it's unlimited. Really, it's unlimited just by your imagination. Thanks for being here today, guys. Take care, and I will see you next time. Bye.